Hello and welcome back again. After a long time I'm posting a video on my channel. So this is the engulfing trade I took today. Let me show you what kind of trade I had today on the gold. So if you're seeing that we have a solid engulfing on here. So this is an engulfing zone on the H4-hour time frame. So what we're seeing that market coming back to this engulfing zone. So after it coming back to that 30-minute H4 engulfing zone, we are going to take it on 30-minute time frame. So what we are also seeing that market goes back to that 4-hour time frame on engulfing zone. So we are finding another engulfing on here. So this is our 30-minute trade control. Let me color it on different ones so that we can easily understand. So this is the one that we are taking as our trade control. So on 30-minute, what we are seeing that market create an engulfing and eventually it coming back again to that engulfing pattern. And now we are seeing that our current market price, which we called at CMB. On CMB, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, what we are going to see is it created another engulfing on here. So eventually when it created an engulfing on there, so we are seeing another engulfing on here. So basically this is our entry point. So I trade on here. This is the entry point. So this is the short position I took here. I put my strict SL to 32 pips and I'm going to show you my target also. So if you go to the H4 again, we see that there is another engulfing on H4. So this is the engulfing we are seeing on H4. So this is our primary target, which is 1:1 almost 3 ratio trade that we had, and eventually market coming back to that engulfing and it is reversing. Also, I did not had only one position. If you go to the 13-minute time frame, we saw that there is another engulfing, buy engulfing it created, and eventually this buy engulfing was failed with this candle. So this is an EF, which is engulfing failed. Once it created that engulfing fail, we have this buy engulfing fail zone. We also have another engulfing zone on here. If we go to the 5-minute time frame, what we are seeing on that time frame, we see an engulfing on here. So I eventually opened a trade on eventually on there. My stop loss was on this one. Eventually I took a very little stop loss, but I targeted my TP ratio to there. And not there, all the TP ratio is the same. Also, I had another trade on here when it created another engulfing. So these are the 3 trades I had. So this one I keep very short stop loss also. So this stop loss was very tight on here. So these are the 3 trades I had today on gold chart. Thank you so much.